place. It's incredible.
Stay close, Bao.
Watch the bridge.
I've got you, Bao. Are they helping or messing with us? Sometimes it's both. I'm okay. I see you. Hang on.
This is it. Stay close, Ember.
We can do this. Hey, it's okay. We're not here to hurt you.
We just want to help. It's okay. We're not enemies.
Step back. Stay calm. Watch the sides. Got it. Keep lighting the way, Ember. Right behind you.
Careful. Don't overdo it.
Got it. Looping back. Steady, Ember. Watch your path. I've got it. Follow my light. Whoa.
Got me.
Hang on, I've got you. We hold this together.
Stay with me.
Shining path, right here.
Whee!
Almost there.
Keep moving, Ember.
Now, Ember, hit the soft joint. Got it, right on target. Deflect and hold. Keep it steady. Got it, hitting the soft spots. Together, Ember, our energy is stronger.
I'm with you.
I'm with you. Hold the line. We move together. I've got this path clear.
Careful. One misstep and we're toast.
I see a safe landing. Follow me. Hold steady. Don't let it through. I've got your back.
It's hurting. It's not attacking us. It's trapped.
I think it's scared.
The crystal cocoa core, it's trapped inside you.
That's why it's so scared. It's hurting. It's not attacking us. It's trapped. I understand now.
We move together, gently. You're safe.
It's okay. You don't need to fight. It's okay. You don't have to fight. We're here with you. Together, we can help you.
We're here with you, Titan.
Shimmer with us.
It's working. You're safe now.
We did it together.
Shimmer, Titan. You're safe now, friend.
We did it together.
Shimmer and shine.
The core is safe. Everything's calm now.
We did it.
Welcome back to peace, everyone. Look at that. You're helping now.
All in a day's work.
Magic and teamwork for the win. Balance is restored.
We did it together.
Magic and teamwork shine.
You're safe, Sprinkle. We've all made it.
Hooray! Freedom at last. Everything's back to normal.
The city looks amazing.
Magic makes it shine.
We protect them, always.
Together, nothing can stop us. Magic and friends forever.
The city is safe, for now.
Ready for whatever comes next. More adventures await.